Lily, do you get this? Adding and subtracting fractions is so hard.
Yeah, this is really rough.
If only there was an operation we could do with fractions that was super easy.
Hey guys, Mr. E here. Have you ever tried multiplying fractions?
Oh, yeah.
No, how do you do that?
It's really easy. All you have to do is change your whole number into a fraction, multiply straight across, and then simplify.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute. I thought multiplication was a harder operation.
Nope, not with fractions. Most of the numbers we will use are going to be single-digit numbers, and you can totally use your multiplication chart that you can find in your journal.
Oh, yeah.
Are there any tricky things you have to do on the side, like a width column?
Forget that. Get that out of here. All you have to do is make the whole number a fraction, line them up horizontally, multiply straight across, and simplify. It's that easy. Write this down, kids.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, thanks, Mr. E. Multiplying fractions is so easy.
Don't thank me, thank multiplying fractions.
Oh, yeah.
Disclaimer, multiplying fractions is easy for most, but does take a lot of practice and patience. Students that struggle with their facts or simplifying may still think this is hard.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you guys, let's try a couple practice problems together to really show how easy multiplying fractions can be. So our first problem, we have 4 times 1/3. So the first step is we change the whole number into a fraction. So changing that into a fraction is really easy. Any whole number is just itself over 1. Then we're going to multiply by the fraction. I like to make these lined up horizontally, so it's really easy to go straight across. 4 times 1 would give us 4. 1 times 3 would give us 3. And then we could simplify that to 1 and 1/3. Which would make sense when we're going to start modeling fractions. It's going to be a little bit more visually clear. But if I did 1/3 4 times, I would have a whole and a third. All right, moving on to the next problem. We have 2/5 times 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is change my whole number into a fraction. Again, all you've got to do is put that whole number over 1. That's what's going to make it a fraction. Then we're going to multiply straight across for 2/5. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then over 5. And we have a simplified answer because 4 is divisible by 2, but 5 is not, and they're not divisible by any of the higher prime numbers. So 4/5 is a good answer, okay? The next one, we have 6 times 3/4. Again, we're going to change the 6 into a fraction. We multiply straight across. 6 times 3 would give us 18. 1 times 4 will give us 4. And then we're going to simplify. So this is going to give us 4 will go into 18 4 times evenly, leaving us a remainder of 2. And then we can simplify one more time. We could call that 4 and 1/2. So 6 times 3/4 would give us 4 and 1/2. So again, multiplying with fractions is pretty easy. It'll take a little practice, but I think you'll catch on to it pretty quickly. We will need to know how to model with multiplying with fractions, and we'll go over that a little bit later in the week, but I think you guys will find that really easy as well. So hopefully this video taught you a thing or two about multiplying fractions, and hopefully soon you'll be a pro at multiplying fractions. We love you guys, we miss you, and I'll see you later. Bye.